had $1,000 right now, how would you invest it? In crypto? Stocks? Start a business? Let me show you how I'd turn $1,000 in 2025 into something way more valuable. Welcome to Hi Human, where we figure out smart ways to make our money work for us. This isn't financial advice, just what I'd personally do if I had $1,000 to start with in 2025. We'll break it into 4 parts: learning, investing, building, and growing. First, I'd use $100 to level up my brain. I'd buy a personal finance or investing book, a course on Udemy, Skillshare, or YouTube, and AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, VO3 to accelerate my learning, learn automation, and create things which weren't possible till now but now are, thereby preparing for the future. Next, I'd take $400 and invest for the long term. No risky bets, just stable, steady growth. Here's how I'd split it: 60% in index funds, 30% in blue chip stocks, 10% in dividend stocks for small passive income. It's not about timing the market. It's about you early entering the market. Then I'd take $300 to start a digital side hustle. Even small projects can turn into real money online. Here's what I try. Sell Notion or website templates, ebooks, or digital tools on Gumroad and promote on X or Instagram. Build a Discord community and offer paid access. Start an Instagram or TikTok page around a niche. Offer services using AI tools like writing, design, or SEO. If you sell something people really want, they'll buy and you'll make big money. Lastly, I'd keep $100 aside for high-risk, high-reward plays. This could include small investments in crypto like ETH or Solana, a friend's small startup or your own app idea, running advertisement campaigns on social media. These are bets, not guarantees. But sometimes one win pays for them all. So here's the full breakdown. $100 learn books, courses. $400 invest index stocks. $300 build products, hustle. $100 risk crypto projects. It's about planting 4 seeds, each with different returns. And over time, they compound. $1,000 won't make you rich, but what you learn from investing will. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll learn the one thing most people never do: how to make money work for you. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. Comment below, what would you do with $1,000 right now? See you in the next one.